Now we are going to see cutoff temperature limiter. It is inbuilt with the thermostat. You can see this switch. If customer or engineer turning on the machine without water, it will be resetted and the button will be released outside. Just we are showing how it will be released. You can see now the switch is released outside. So after cool down we have to press this switch. Now the overheat is, so the switch is not going down. Now the switch is gone inside, so the reset is working. So sometimes overheating or abnormal heating leads to this type of switch reset, it's required. Same scenario in instant also. We have this time we have to check continuity in both the terminal. Now continuity is coming. Now no continuity. So the switch is gone outside, that's why continuity is not showing. Now pressing, again continuity is coming. So thermostat is good, but we have to check the reset switch.